Class is in 101. Welcome back, guys. If you're here, you know what to do. Raise your hand and say, I'm here. When I did a live last week, someone asked me to make deviled eggs. I'm going to make my rendition of deviled eggs. So I boiled about 6 eggs, okay? Of course, I ate one, so I actually have 5. So what you do is just take the egg yolk and just smash it up. It's really simple and easy. Mine is going to be the spicy shrimp deviled eggs, stuffed eggs, deviled eggs, however you want to call it. So you just want to smash this up. Make sure all the yolks are incorporated. Okay. And from here I will add a little pepper. Probably about a half a teaspoon. And I will add a pinch of salt. Okay. You want to mix this up. Okay. Now, here I have one very small jalapeno diced. I have an onion. This is about a tablespoon. And I have 3 already cooked and peeled shrimp. I have about a tablespoon of pickle relish. If you don't like pickle relish, you don't have to put it in here. If you don't like the jalapenos, you don't have to put it in here. If you don't like the shrimp, you don't have to put it in here. It's your deviled egg, your stuffed egg. You don't have to do it, okay? Now I'm going to mix this up. And I have my deep fry over here. Is that what you're popping? So I'm going to mix this up, get it all incorporated, and then, guys, I like Miracle Whip, okay? There's just all this to it, and that's what I'm going to put in here. I'm putting this much. It's about, I would say about 2 tablespoons, maybe a little more. So what you want to do is just try to make this creamy. And you can taste, adjust your seasonings as you go. When it looks dry like that, what do you have to do? You have to put a little more mayo or Miracle Whip. Just a little more. Oh, shoot, drop it on the floor. Guys, I'll be back. I just dropped some Miracle Whip on the floor and I want to get that up. Okay, so guys, this is how it should look right here. You don't want it soupy or very, very loose with all the Miracle Whip or the mayo. You just want it thick enough so where you can just spoon it in, see? Just thick enough, just like that, alright? Now in this one, I have flour, all-purpose flour, with my eggs that I cut in half. And I'm going to put this in here, coat it. And I have panko that I smashed a little more. And you want to shake it off. If you want it double dip, you can do it. If you want it extra crispy, let it sit aside. The egg wash, which is 2 eggs and probably about 3 tablespoons of water. This, you can have this for finger food, someone talked about. You can have it as an appetizer. You can have it for weddings. You can have it for a date. You can have it at parties. You can just have a glass of tea with it. Okay, let me do one more. Dip this in. They're very delicate, so you have to be careful not to break them. And I'm going to let these sit for a little bit so the coating can adhere to the egg whites. Okay? And that's what I'm going to do. And I'll come back and show you the next step. So I've already battered these up. I have my oil hot. And I'm just going to put the basket, it's hot because I preheated the basket in the oil. You want to place these in there very gently. All right. And then you want to lower it very slowly. Because if you just plop it in there, not only did the grease get all over the place, the majority of your coating is going. Okay, just let it submerge. And I have the Presto Fry Daddy, and I have it on 400. For the breading, I use panko flour, panko breading. For my flour, as I said, I salt and pepper my flour, and that was about a cup and a half of flour. I put salt and pepper in it, and of course you guys know what I did with the filling. You want to slowly bring it up and see if it's brown on you. Oh, look at that. Almost. Sometimes you want to help it. You want to be on each other. Just gently. So this will cook maybe about a couple of minutes, not even a couple of minutes. And that is done. The one I don't like. Let me do it one more time. Okay. Now you just want to let it drain. Just like that. And you're going to let it cool. And I have no idea what Jamarian does with my stuff. So here we go. You want to let these cool before you stuff them now. And I'm putting it on a plate. Okay. I have two more. The regular piece I'm going to eat. That piece. Like I said, it don't take long to cook at all. Don't take long. So guys, as you watch my live, the family and I, we just had a high old good time. We really did. A high old good time. Miss Smarty Pants has been trying to get me to do lives a little more. I will try to do that. Like I told you guys, I have a problem of eating. Watch the live, and I I told you why. But I can't get over that, but yeah. So to get my my spices, go to www.carlissspices.com. The chitlin seasoning mix is flying out the doors, guys, because you can use that with greens, chitlins, beans, whatever your heart desires you want to use that mix with. Definitely get it. And it's at www.carlissspices.com. You don't have to do no chopping of onions or anything, because I took it away from you guys and put it into my product. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know that when I am on or when I am live. I want you to go and support and share this video. You guys don't share me. Don't share it with me. Share me with other people. Also go to Mayhem Beauty, her page. Share her. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We always need more love. Okay, I think this is done. Now I'm going to let this cool off and I'll be back. It has cooled off. See, I can touch them. And you want to fill the cavity in. You know, I have had deviled eggs, stuffed eggs, whatever you want to call it. And the only thing they did was just fill the cavity, and you only had maybe like a half a teaspoon of the filling. Fill them eggs up. People want to taste. Fill them up. The mixture is good. I love it. I love it. Okay, so from there, you want to fix your fancy plate up, however you're going to do it, okay? And let me have one. You know, I told you about the raggedy one that I was going to eat. This is the raggedy one. And all that goodness. And remember, adjust your seasoning. Go back and keep tasting. If you feel you need to add a little more salt, then go ahead. Guys, don't overdo it on your stuff. Sometimes I see people take the simplest stuff and go way out of hand with it. And I'll be saying to myself, why? You know, but anyway, it's okay to perfect. It's okay to do your little twist. But don't go overboard with it. I've seen people put sugar in there. I don't understand that. I don't know why. If you use Miracle Whip, there's no need to put sugar in there. But, you know, to each his own. So I'm going to taste this right here. It's good. Just a little bit spicy. Not where you can't eat it. I taste the shrimp. I taste the minced onion. Yeah, yummy. All right. Good. So here it goes. Here is my finished product right here, guys. Look at this. Now you can't tell me you don't want to have this just by itself with a glass of tea or your wine or whatever you drink. This is wonderful. So like I said, go to www.carlissspices.com and get your spices on, guys. It's the holidays. My chitlin seasoning mix is almost sold out. You know, so we're in the process of making more. Okay? So here it is.